Everyone, welcome to our new topic surface area of sphere. Sphere means the objects which all are in spherical shape are called as an sphere. You know your ball, your globe, everything which all are in spherical shape, that is circular in shape. We call them as an sphere. See, here is a sphere, it is a globe shape, and here these you might have seen in your lower classes the latitudes, the longitudes, everything drawn in the globe. Your sun, your moon, all resembles circular in shape, hence we call them as spherical in shape. When we cut this into two equal parts, then what happens? When we cut a sphere into two equal parts, it becomes an hemisphere. Hemisphere, here is one of the example for the hemisphere. This is an hemispherical bowl, children. Can you see here? It is an hemispherical bowl. Half of the sphere is called as an hemisphere. Hence, this bowl is hemispherical in shape. Surface area of the sphere is 4 times the area of circle of radius r, that is 4 pi r square. Why it is 4 times the area of circle of radius r? Can you observe here? One circle is divided into 4 parts, hence it is 4 times the area of radius of circle. When these 4 parts join together, it makes a complete sphere. So what is the CSA of the hemisphere? CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r. TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Sorry, CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Just take a snap, children, and write it down in your notes. Now coming to your examples, first example number 7. It is a direct question. They have asked to find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeters. R is given as 7 centimeters. We know the formula of area of sphere, 4 pi r square. Substitute r as 7. 7 in the denominator and numerator gets cancelled. 22 into 4 is 88. 88 into 7 is 616 centimeters square. Your second question is to find CSA and TSA of the hemisphere whose radius is 21 centimeters. It is example number 8 question, children. And I know the curved surface of hemisphere as 2 pi r square on substituting 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are. 22 into 2 is 44. 21 into 3 is 63. And further multiplication I will get 2772 centimeters square as curved surface area. Similarly, total surface area formula I know as 3 pi r square. 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are. 66 into again 63 becomes 4158 centimeters square. The hollow sphere in which a circus motorcyclist performs his stunts. It is of diameter 7 meters. The area available for the motorcyclist for riding. You have to find out. So if this is the case, for the cyclist to make the stunts inside the cage, they have given the diameter as 7 centimeters. You have to find the area of this cage where he is performing the stunts. Within the cage he will perform the stunt, not outside the cage. Hence you have to find the CSA of the inner surface of this sphere. So coming to the solution, diameter is 7 meter, radius is 3.5 meters. Surface area of the sphere utilized by the motorcyclist for riding is 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. It is 7 ones are 7 0.5s are, and 22 into 4 becomes 88. 0.5 into 3.5 becomes 1.75, and the answer is 154 meters square. A hemispherical dome needs to be painted whose circumference is 17.6 meters. From this you have to find out the radius first, and then you have to find the CSA, and then cost of painting rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square they have given here. So you have to find out for first per centimeter square and then multiply with the CSA and rupees 5. So children, here is the dome which is to be painted. Can you observe this dome shaped? Only for this dome shape we are going to paint, not for this rectangular shape building. Okay children. Now it is in hemispherical shape, not in the spherical shape. First Kindly note down that. Okay children, see, in this shape, hemispherical. Okay. Coming to the sum, they have given the circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. It is 17.6. 2 is in the numerator, comes to the denominator. 22 by 7 gets reciprocal as 7 by 22. On cancellation, we get remained with 0.4 and 7. On multiplication, it becomes radius as 2.8 meters. Okay, now here is the CSA formula, 2 pi r square. On substituting the r value as 2.8 twice, cancellation, 7 ones are 7, 0.4s are 22 into 2 is 44, 0.4 is 2.8 is 1.12. On further multiplication, I will get 49.28 meter square. It is per 100 centimeter square. So for 1 meter square is rupees 500. Hence multiply 49.28 with 500, you will get the total cost as 24,640. Here gets completed with all the example sums. Now we are going for exercise 13.4. In our exercise 13.4, the 3 questions are of same type only children. So I am going to explain only first sum and I will show the notes for the second and the third sum. Hence you need to understand and copy that children. They have asked to find the surface area of the sphere of radius. Means all these 3 are radius. Surface area of sphere formula is 4 pi r square. Using that I am going to find the surface area for first question. I will show you children. Here is your solution children. On substituting of r as 10.5 into 10.5, 1 10.5 gets cancelled with 7 as 1.5. Remaining gets multiplied and your final answer becomes 1386 centimeter square. Similar way I have given the answer for the second sum. You can copy down. Same kind of solution for your third sum. Answer is 2464 centimeter square. Same kind of method followed for your second main question. They have given the diameter. You have to find the radius and then same formula you are going to apply 4 pi r square. On cancellation, first answer is 616 centimeter square. Second answer is 1386 centimeter square. And your third answer, diameter of the sphere is given. So similar way, same steps follows here. Henceforth I have not explained here. Third answer is 38.5 meters square. Thank you children.